Will AI replace real estate agents? The short answer, no. The longer answer, only the ones who act like a Zillow tour guide with a heartbeat. So let's talk about who is at risk. AI will replace the agents who show up to a listing appointment with nothing but a smile and a CMA from 2019. The ones who think negotiation means texting something like, "So, do you think they'll take it?" Or the ones who act interesting and not interested. The ones who repost the same Canva template 9,000 other agents posted that morning. The ones who avoid uncomfortable conversations like they're in witness protection. And of course, the ones who sit at home in their pajamas, waiting for the phone to ring,
waiting on happy hour to start.
If that's your competition, yeah, AI is coming for their job. In fact, it's probably already left them a voicemail. But here's who AI will never replace. The agents who communicate like crazy, educate instead of regurgitate. They understand emotional roller coaster that buyers are on. They know every street, school zone, and rumor in Middle Tennessee. The ones who give advice humans actually trust. The ones who show up, hustle, and treat real estate like the profession that it actually is. AI can write a listing description, but it cannot walk into a kitchen and say, "Hey, you should probably hide that rooster collection before the showings start." So, no, AI will not replace great agents, but it will replace the average ones. Same for loan officers. If your entire business model is pajamas plus what's today's rate, congrats. ChatGPT already does that in 0.3 seconds. But great agents, y'all are safe. Your value is in the service, the strategy, and the relationship. All right, so go dominate today. And if you need a lender who communicates like a human and not a robot, you know where to find me. And not in pajamas.